As a core component of industrial transmission systems, the sealing performance of gearboxes directly affects the reliability and service life of equipment. The Dongtai DTQ series gearboxes have established a good reputation in the industry due to their high-precision manufacturing process and strict quality control system. This article takes leak testing as a starting point to deeply analyze the sealing performance testing process of Dongtai DTQ gearboxes. Significance of leak testing. 1. Ensuring equipment safety. Leaks can lead to lubrication, oil seepage, contamination intrusion, accelerated gear wear, and even equipment failure. Leak testing is a key step in preventive maintenance. Extending service life. Gearboxes with excellent sealing performance can reduce lubrication medium loss, lower maintenance costs, and improve overall operational efficiency. 3. Meeting industry standards. The Dongtai DTQ series follows the ISO 9001 quality management system and GB T16471-2018 general technical conditions for gearboxes, ensuring that testing results comply with industry norms.
Leak testing is not only the last line of defense for quality control, but also an intuitive embodiment of product technical strengths. Dongtai DTQ series reducer provides a high reliability solution for the industrial transmission field through a scientific and rigorous testing system and continuous innovative sealing technology.